Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to copy and paste on laptop. So guys, at first open the text that you want to copy and then double tap and select the text you want to copy. And after selecting, now press Ctrl+C button of your keyboard and then your text will be copied. Now go there where you want to paste the text. So now press Ctrl+V button of your keyboard for paste the text. So guys, as you can see that the text is perfectly pasted, and that's it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.